A happy morning to all and a hearty welcome. My dear children, today we are going to start with a new chapter in economics, that is sectors of Indian economy. With the hope that you all must have done power sharing. The PDF which I have sent, there was some question of power sharing. Kindly try to solve those answers are given. Try to solve yourselves those questions also. Now moving forward, we are going to do sectors of Indian economy. There are three sectors of Indian economy: agriculture, manufacturing and service sector. Okay? These three things are related with earning money or increasing the economy. Let's start with the first one. Activities that are undertaken directly by using natural resources. Example, agriculture or cultivation, which is dependent on rainfall, sunshine, climate, that is all the natural things. The product of this activity is considered in primary sector. I hope you all have understood that primary sector deals with the natural resources, use of natural things, and the product which comes out is considered as primary activity. Like for example, cultivation of cotton. Cotton we sow, then what cotton depends, the cultivation of cotton depends on rainfall, sunshine, climate, irrigation, everything, fertilizers. The product of this activity is cotton, and it is a natural product. Cotton is a natural product, and the activity, the agriculture which is considered, it comes into primary sector. For example, in case of dairy, you all know what is dairy? We are dependent on biological process of the animals and availability of fodder. We give fodder to cows, buffaloes, and what does that cow and buffalo give us? Milk. So the productivity of that activity is also milk. So dairy also come in primary sector. Minerals are found naturally deep inside the earth. They are also natural. By using these resources, by mining, when these resources come out, then it is known as primary sector. Every product which we get by exploiting or by using naturally, it is considered as primary sector. We can say it agriculture, dairy, fisheries, extracting of minerals, everything. It will come in primary activity, and activities associated with these products are considered as primary sector.